Aftermarket replacement parts can save money up front, but under X-ray, the shortcuts hidden inside cheap electronics become very obvious. Take this Lenovo AC adapter for example. Externally, both chargers looked nearly identical. Same connector, same voltage rating, and very similar general housing design. One was the OEM Lenovo adapter, the other was a low-cost aftermarket replacement, but internally the differences are dramatic. The aftermarket adapter eventually failed catastrophically. The device overheated and even melted part of the housing. This became a serious fire hazard, and under X-ray, the root cause revealed itself immediately. Inside the aftermarket unit, one of the internal chips had shorted. This might have been caused by excess solder or sloppy soldering quality. Then, once the poor insulation added additional heat to that chip, the solder reflowed and shorted the entire chip. You can see the lift that occurred after here. What makes failures like this especially dangerous is that many of the warning signs are completely invisible until it's too late. The adapter may continue functioning normally right up to the point where thermal runaway or the electrical failure happens. That's where X-ray inspection becomes incredibly valuable. Unlike destructive teardown methods, X-ray allows investigators or engineers to examine internal solder joints, component alignment, spacing tolerances, and hidden damage without opening the device. When dealing with potential fire hazards, those internal details matter. After a fire occurs, investigators are often trying to determine whether an electronic device caused the event or was simply damaged afterwards. X-ray helps reveal internal failures that survive even when external evidence has been heavily damaged, and cheap aftermarket electronics are one of the most common problems. One major shortcut manufacturers take is poor component spacing. Inside compact, high-power electronics, high-voltage components generate heat and electrical stress. If traces or components are positioned too closely together, the risk of arcing, thermal degradation, and insulation breakdown increases significantly. Under X-ray, engineers can verify whether internal spacing complies with safe design tolerances. Another common issue is poor solder quality. Low-cost manufacturing processes may leave voids, cold solder joints, insufficient wetting, or inconsistent reflow across critical power components. These defects may pass visual inspection and go completely unnoticed because they're hidden beneath the chips or internal layers of the board. Cheap adapters also frequently use undersized conductors and inferior thermal management. From the outside, two adapters may look identical, but internally one may contain properly sized conductors, reinforced insulation, thermal barriers, and robust filtering components, while the cheaper version may cut material costs everywhere possible. X-ray allows engineers to compare internal construction directly without destroying the evidence. Repeated cable movement creates mechanical stress at the solder joints and connector anchors. Poor reinforcement or weak solder attachment can eventually crack under normal pressure, creating intermittent faults, overheating, and short circuits. X-ray inspection helps identify those hidden fatigue failures long before they happen. One charger may operate safely for years, and the other may contain hidden defects up until the moment it leaves the factory. Under X-ray, you can see the shortcuts: poor soldering, weak spacing, inadequate insulation, internal heat damage, and compromised component integrity. For more X-ray failure analysis, subscribe, and thanks for watching.